No muri I te whakarauoranga o tētahi manu tūī I whara. Ka noho pāma mai tēnei wahine no Rotorua. Nā I herea e Taongahuia Maxwell te manu Māori nei ki tētahi rata kararehe I runa I tā rātou ki taurangi. Ka tiakina ka herea hoki te manu nei ki tētahi whakamauru manu. Heoi, no te rā o muri mai ka tau te rongo ki aia kua whakamatea te manu. Hei tā VetPlus I tuku rongoā moe, I whakamātauhia, I whakaatahia āroto hoki, a nā wai ka tau te kōrero he momo whara tōna tētahi te whakatika. Nā reira, I whakamatea I runga I te nākau atawhai. Kei a te rino kōwhai nā kōrero mō tēnei manu tūī.
Oh, he's come right up. He's come out to have a look, Jack Nohi. And he's just sitting there. So I'll zip him up and help keep him warm.
He oha nuku mahara ki te wā e tai ko tonu ana te manu tūī nei I te ao.
He's feeding well now. Coming up to get the honey water.
I tūpono noa a Taongahuia ki te manu tūī nei, nōna e wharana I te taha o te rori. Ka manaaki tia e ia, a nā wai rā, ka ora mai anō.
My first instinct was, okay, he's dying, so I'm just going to love him to death, literally, and hold him until he passes. And then I just kept stroking him and just saying my own little sort of kararehe thing. And then when I felt that his stomach and his heart was still beating, I thought, oh, wow, he's still alive. And so I just had to find another option on how to keep him going.
Nā wai, ka piki haere tōna ora, ka tahi ka tīmata tana whāngai I aia.
I don't know how else to give it to him, so I'll just keep putting it on this brush, and as long as he's getting it into him, I'm happy. And obviously he's happy.
Ka whai kaha haere te manu tūī nei, ka kaha hoki te toro a Taongahuia ki ngā rōpū whakaora, manaaki kararehe, engari auare ake.
Tried phoning Bird Rescue, which is in Mamaku. They only deal with poultry. I phoned Wingspan, which is here Rotorua, Notaha. They only deal with predator birds. And so I phoned VetPlus, which is straight across the road. They said they would take him and send him to a native bird rehab centre or find some care, and that did not happen.
Ka wai atu a Taongahuia ki VetPlus, ka tūmeke ia ki te rongo, kua whakamate rātou I te tūī.
They said the vet would have taken an x-ray and seen that there was probably other damage. Now, these are the same people that said, we will take this bird and get it looked after by a native bird rehab centre. So I didn't believe what they said that second time either.
I puta te kōrero a Trevor Kelly o VetPlus, e kore pea te momo wharanga e taia te whakamauru mai anō, nā reira, ka whakamatea I runga I te ngākau atawhai.
I just think that, hey, it was Friday. They probably couldn't get hold of the lady at the SPCA that looks after birds. They probably couldn't be bothered holding it to get it to the Tauranga native rehab place. And it was probably just easier to put it down.
Hei tā Caroline Abbott o te papa atawhai, I etahi wā e tika ana tēnei ara whakamate, e harai te mea ka poka noa tēnei momo whiringa, ko te mea nui, kia noho mā tāmua mai te toi oranga o te kararehe.
I was just really bummed that VetPlus didn't also maintain that intent to look after him. I have no proof other than their word to say that he was apparently in pain. Where do you take native birds? There's no place to take native birds then. And I would never do it again and take it to them, that's for sure. Not to look after. Yeah, cool, eh? Here he is.
Aha kua tū haha te wā ki te manu tūī a Taongahuia, hei tā te papa atawhai, ki te koe I tētahi kararehe e wharana, e māwiwi ana rānei, me whakapā atu mā te waia utu kore waru kore, dog hot, a rā, kore waru kore, toru ono rua, whā ono waru. Te rina kōwhai, te ao mārama.